Blutbart.
Hello and welcome back to another behind the scenes toy photography video. This week I'm going to show you how to make a sewer out of stuff lying around your house. I call this shot Infiltration II. I'll also show you my editing process. The key to any sewer scene is wetness, so I began by filling an old baking sheet up to the brim with tap water. I wanted a dark surface under the water so you could better see the reflections. Next, I positioned a couple cinder blocks as my wall. I put a 3D printed sewer grate in the back, and I hid a little bogling in one of the cinder block spaces. Using small plastic figure stands, I posed my action figures in the water. I was trying to make it look like they had cut through the sewer entrance to infiltrate this building for a secret mission. With the scene set, I hung a small spotlight from the ceiling directly above my subjects. By positioning a metal pizza pan under the lights, I was able to create this cool lighting effect. Here's my starting shot. Not much editing was required for this image. I began by adding adjustment layers for levels and color balance before adding a green photo filter. Next, I filled in some gaps on the edges of my image with Content Aware Fill and the Clone and Stamp tool. After adding a vignette, I used the Healing Brush tool to fill in the articulation joints on my toys. Following that, I used the Dodge tool to lighten up my subject's armor. Finally, I added a bit of glow to the vampiric bogling in the sewer hole. So once again, here's my starting image. And here's where I ended up. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing, and make sure to check me out on Instagram. Thanks, and until next time!